everybody, Jim King with King Piers. I'm out here with my King Piers team. We're out in North Kansas City. This project right here is a 3 King Pier job on the outer garage wall. Also, there's a couple of cracks. Walk around here with me and I'll show you. We got some lateral movement in the wall, and we're going to straighten the wall, pier the footing, and that will hold the wall back after we push it back vertical. We may have to come in with some angle iron in the corner to maybe stabilize that even more. So stay with me. King Piers, Kansas City. For all your foundation repair needs, I believe we are the very best, proven best. Go to our YouTube channel, check out our videos, give us a like and a subscribe. We really appreciate it. Check us out tomorrow on this video. We'll have another update showing how we're raising and making things level. For all your foundation repair needs, call me 816-521-8915, and you can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.